Experiment number 6 is to determine refractive index of glass slab using travelling microscope. Travelling microscope is a kind of compound microscope. Two lenses are there. The upper one is eyepiece and lower one is objective. Here two scales you can see. The longer one is the main scale, which you can see the reading is from 0 till 15. Between two consecutive divisions, there are 20 marks. So, the least count of the main scale is 1 upon 20 centimeter. There is one more scale that is called vernier scale. On this vernier scale, there are 50 divisions. So on this combination of main scale and vernier scale, 50 divisions of vernier scale runs parallel to 49 divisions of main scale. You can see an arrow, the top mark on the vernier scale. This is taken as the reference point. Wherever this top mark is there, that will be taken as a reading on the main scale. Then the number of division on the vernier scale, which is coinciding exactly with any division on the main scale, will be the vernier scale reading. Suppose division number 26 is coinciding. So 26 will be multiplied by least count of the scale, and that will give you the reading of vernier scale. Then by adding the reading on main scale and vernier scale, we will find out the total reading of the device. Here you can see a cross over the surface. First of all, through the microscopic lens, that is eyepiece and objective, we will adjust the cross of microscope to the cross which is made over the horizontal surface, and then we will take the reading on the main scale. After that, we will put glass slab over the cross mark. Again, we will adjust the height of the microscope so as the cross in the microscope is coinciding with the cross on the horizontal surface over which the glass slab is capped. Because now glass slab is capped over the cross, that is why it will be taken as an apparent height and apparent depth. Now over the glass slab, we will put some chalk powder to again change its apparent height. Again we will adjust the microscope and we will see through the microscope that cross is exactly coinciding with the wire crossing of microscope. So this is how 3 times we will take the reading, and then by applying the formula we will calculate the refractive index. First one with the cross only, second one with the glass slab, and third one by sprinkling some chalk powder over the glass slab. So these 3 readings will be R1, R2, R3, and then by applying the formula we will calculate the refractive index. So this is how the experiment with travelling microscope can be done. It's a kind of compound microscope which you have already done in your theory part. Thank you.